Want to know how to upload SD video on TikTok? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'll walk you through the process of how to upload SD video in TikTok. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open TikTok app on your screen. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Then tap and hold onto the record button at the bottom to record a video. After recording the video, tap on the tick option. Likewise, tap on the next option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you can see different options. Tap on the more option. Furthermore, under the advanced settings, you can see the allow high quality uploads. Now toggle the switch right beside it. Finally, tap on the post option at the bottom right corner of your screen. So this is how you can upload SD video on TikTok. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.